Hey guys, welcome to the new episode of Code of Duty. My name is Sonam and I am the application developer in the CodeWorld. So today we have chosen different type of layouts in Android as our fifth topic of discussion. So let's get started with today's video. Let's look into the table of content first, then dive into the content separately. Introduction of layout in Android, and after that types of layout. Layouts in Android. So it is basically arrangement of views. Here views are text view that we use to write some text, button that we use to add click listener, image view that we use to add image in our layout. We define our layout in XML file, and using XML attributes various property of layout can be set. Types of layout. Mostly four types of layout that we use to design our user interface. Linear layout, relative layout, frame layout, and last one, constraint layout. Linear layout. Linear layout gives us the option to place the component in a single direction, either vertically or horizontally. We use Android orientation attribute to define the orientation of the layout. Here you can see the example of linear layout. When we select orientation horizontal, then you can see the component we have placed neighboring to each other. As we can see over here, using the orientation command, you can actually change your linear layout either to the horizontal one or vertical one. When we change it by vertical, then you can see the component are vertically arranged. Relative layout. It is a view group that displays child view in a relative position. Means we place our view in the top, bottom, left and right of parent. So here parent is basically our relative layout, and if we want to place one view left, right, above and below of other view, then using relative layout we can easily do it. Let's see the example of relative layout. Let's see the relative layout attributes. If we want to place our view left, right, below and above of another view, then we use layout to the left of attribute for left side placement and layout to the right of for the right side placement. Layout below and above attribute used for place view top or bottom of another view. And if we want to place our view top and bottom of our parent, then we use align parent top attribute for top, align parent bottom attribute for bottom of parent, and same for the left and right. Let's see the example of relative layout. Here you can see we have button 1. So when we want to place our button in the bottom of our parent, so that simply add align bottom attribute and pass boolean value true. So you can see our button is placed in the bottom of our parent, and when we want to place it in the top of our parent, simply change bottom to top, and you can see our button is placed top of our parent. So when we want to place it in the left side of our parent, so simply change top to left, and you can see our button is placed in the left side of parent, and for the right side we have to change it align parent right. So here our button is placed in the right side of our parent. Frame layout. So this view group used to display a single child view because it can be difficult to organize child view in a way that is scalable to different screen sizes without the children overlapping each other. Constraint layout. It is a view group which allows us to position and size widget in a flexible way. It is easy to maintain and reduce nesting of view groups. In constraint layout, we have to establish the constraint of view. So we have one button here. Red color show the error because we have not added constraint yet. So add top of our button to the top of parent using top to top of attribute and pass parent. So our top constraint is established, and after that similar add left to left of and pass parent. Do same with right to right of and pass parent. So you can see our button is placed in the center horizontal because we added both left and right constraint. This is pretty much about it. Hope we could provide some value through this video. If you have any doubt, please write your question in comment section. If you like it, do not forget to press like button, subscribe our channel and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more updates of series. See you soon. Thank you for watching.